Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to fix your Foxtel app not working. Now there might be a couple of reasons why your app is not working. Let us try to solve it for you. Now firstly, you need to make sure that your Foxtel app is up to date. So go to your Play Store or App Store on your cell phone. Now here you can see that our Foxtel app is up to date. Now there is another way to fix this issue. Now I'm gonna go to my mobile settings. Once we are in the settings, scroll down and go to apps. Once you're on the app sections, go to manage apps. You just need to search for the Foxtel app here and allow all the permissions to the app, and it will fix the issue. If it doesn't work out, just try reinstalling the app. Hope you found value in this video. See you next time.